Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome to Wise Mountain, 12,034 feet. Let's see how we got here. Stay tuned. Rolling out from the last trail, I set my sights on the next adventure, Wise Mountain, Colorado. The road winds through rugged terrain, with the mountains slowly rising in their horizon. Each mile brings a new sense of anticipation, the kind of excitement only the open trail can deliver. The drive isn't just about getting there. It's about soaking in the changing scenery, wide valleys, patches of thick forest, and those high, rocky peaks remind me why I chase the trails like these. Somewhere up ahead, Wise Mountain waits, with its promise of stunning views and fresh challenges. Every turn in the road is a step closer to the unknown. And that's what keeps me moving, knowing the best stories are written one trail at a time. Climbing up the trail towards Wise Mountain, the road quickly turns from smooth dirt to rocky, rugged terrain. Old abandoned mine shafts and weathered cabins dot the mountainside, a reminder of the people who once carved a life out of this harsh landscape. The trail throws everything at us. Shallow water crossings splash up against the rigs, coating them in mud. Loose rock and rutted sections test our lines, with some obstacles rolling by easily and others demanding careful throttle. A few leave their mark, scratches on the skids, a dent here and there, just part of the story every vehicle carries after a real mountain trail. Oops, that wasn't supposed to happen. Every obstacle cleared brings us higher, with the air thinning, the view stretching out further than before. This is the kind of trail that blends history, challenge, and raw beauty. Wise Mountain at its best. At the summit of Wise Mountain, we are greeted by two iconic miners' cabins, each weathered by time and standing in their own state of decay. One of them still proudly flies the American flag, rippling in the thin mountain air, overlooking a sweeping, majestic view of the surrounding peaks. I take a moment to breathe it all in, the history, the view, the satisfaction of conquering the climb. After a quick celebration at the top, it's time to point the rigs downhill, making our way off the mountain in search of a campsite worthy of the trail we just tackled.
All right, we made it back down Wise Man Mountain, I believe is what it is. And we had an issue on the way up and we need to take care of it. That's not supposed to be shaped like that. Well, that is a little bent out of whack. Not only did I have to fix or take care of this, I got to do some overland modifications. Check this out. So I was having issues with the water can and the Zargus sliding back and hitting the window. So, yeah. Overland-esque modifications. All right, tonight we're gonna take a break from cooking and we're having a grocery store salad. The initial plans were to camp at the top of Wise Man Mountain, or Wise Mountain, whatever they call it. I'll put that right here. But rules said you couldn't, so we came back down the mountain. We found this nice little camp spot. Quite happy with it. We got a stream right next to us. I do need to say thank you to Ryan. He's one of my Patreons. He was a captain I used to work with, recently promoted to battalion chief. But he's the one that suggested that we come up here. So thanks, Ryan. Greatly appreciate it. And congratulations on your promotion. All right, so we have the solar out. Regenerating our batteries. I just crawled out of bed. It's about 40 degrees. That's nice and chilly. And we're making a Mammoose Camp Kitchen breakfast. Check this out. And that's got scrambled eggs, cheese, smoked sausage, hash brown potatoes with peppers, onions, and Creole seasoning. Yeah, buddy, that's good.
With each trail we conquer, Colorado fuels the fire of exploration that lies within all of us who answer the call of adventure. Wise Mountain leaves its mark, a trail of history, challenge, and unforgettable views etched into memory. But the journey is far from over. Now, the Jeep turns towards the horizon, ready for the next trail, the next camp, the next story waiting to be written. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you in the next video. And remember, life's an adventure. Go live it. Have a blessed day.